Dr. Aparupa Chatterjee, the artistic director of the Odissi Dance Company, a Texas-based organization, is a leading Odissi dancer in India and the USA and a former repertory of the world-renowned Odissi institution, Srijan, founded by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra, the father of this dance form, Odissi. A PhD in agricultural communications, with a thesis in how performing arts may be used in international development in developing nations, a disciple of the maestro's son, Guru Ratikant Mohapatra, Aparupa had brought Odissi to Texas in 2007 when she founded the International Institute for Cultural and Performing Arts Development, or IICPD, at Texas A&M University. The Odissi Dance Company, founded by Dr. Aparupa Chatterjee, the artistic director, aims at an international cultural exchange and global arts initiative through encouraging American-born Odissi students to bring Odissi dance in the Srijan style back to the Indian-American community.
Today's bhajan is on the Mohana Girivaradhari, the charming and bewitching Giridhari, the one who lifted the mighty Govardhan mountain, the one who adorns a peacock feather on his head and wears yellow clothes, and the one who plays his ever-enchanting flute in the forest. The one who went with his consort Radha to greet all the young and old cowherd people that Lord Giridhari, Meera's Giridhari, has now come to her town to be with all.
Come, O Vithala, for the love of your devotee, O Pandurange, filled with mercy, while we lead the audience through Abhinaya and pure dance to the ultimate message of promoting global peace, especially as we witness so much of this century's violence, desecration, and pollution of some of the human minds and deeds in different corners of the world, due to materialistic desires and bonds. This peace will be inundated with the fervent appeal to join forces in freeing and nurturing human minds and hearts, and to achieve universal peace, or Shanti. Production choreography, Srimati Aparupa Chatterjee. Music composition by Pandit O.S. Arun.